What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. How wild is this shop right now with all of my cars in here? Well, some of them. We have the Corvette and the 3-rotor that are not in here, and I'm probably forgetting something else, but we recently moved some of the cars in here temporarily, and it took me by surprise when I walked in here, as I don't think I've seen this many of my cars in the same area. This is so cool. We got the Barbie Z, Brat Bunny RX-8, future new shell for the 3-rotor car, Sailor 7, my Evo, which there's so much coming up on the channel for that car very, very soon. Got some swaps, it's gonna be crazy. We got the Hyundai Veloster N, which we will be working on today, and the TTRS. I love seeing all my children together. They're all getting along and having fun. Today, I'm going to be revealing the new wheels that I got for my Hyundai Veloster N. Now, in the last video for the Veloster N, we threw on our new carbon fiber parts from Adro USA. We have our carbon fiber front lip, which I absolutely love the design and how it like wraps in and holds on to the original bumper. Love that, got that on the car. We have our carbon fiber side skirts and our carbon fiber diffuser, which looks amazing. I'm actually going to be getting their carbon fiber wing for this car. It's going to be shipped out to me in like 2 weeks. It's so wild and aggressive, and I love it so much. Back to the other shop. Here they are. Here's your hint: Japan Power, Rays. Any guesses? Any guesses on what these might be? Are you ready for it? I will say I did post a teaser of these wheels like online somewhere on my birthday, but I never said what car they were for. So if you guys follow me on social media, you probably already know what I'm about to open up. Drum roll, please. Ah, boom. We got some Rays TE37s SLs. They are so beautiful, and I think the perfect color for the Veloster N. This is going to be your sneak peek for now. We're gonna end up taking all these over to the other shop so I can mount some fresh Kumo tire PS91s on them, and then I'll fully unbox all of them and talk more about these wheels at the other shop. Before we head there though, I wanted to show you guys what Chris has been working on for our upcoming House of Pre drop. This is kind of the coolest tie-dye I think I've ever seen. Check it out. How wild is this? Look at this design here. So this was tie-dye with pink going back over it. So the one that I have on is just one pass of bleach, so it turns this like white sort of tan bleach color, which I really, really like this one. But then when you put this in pink dye, it turns out like this, but the thread is still neon yellow. We're cooking some things up in the House of Pre lab, trying to figure out what we want to do. Our acid wash shirt though turned out really, really cool. I need to grab it. This is my favorite because when we actually bleached this, it went more white.
It looked green at first. Do you remember, like a yellow green?
Yeah, it had like a green hint to it, and then you left the bleach on a little longer and it turned more white, right?
Yeah. That
is so cool. So I don't think we're gonna put any pink dye on that shirt. So we won't give away the secret, but Chris,
it was an accident. It was an accident at first.
It was an accident that we now want to make fashion because this looks so much cooler than like the normal just bleach dye. And look at like the geometry going on in the background. Like this is my all-time favorite. It looks like a dress on me because this is an extra large, but I love this. So now we just have to decide if we want to rock it with this color, a whiter bleach tie-dye situation, or if we want to do the pink. So let us know in the comments below what you guys like the most. I'm gonna finish unboxing all my beautiful new Rays and then get some PS91 Kumo tires mounted right up. Here they are. These are my TE37 SLs for the Veloster. Here are my Kumo tires. I'll be mounting to them for now. I'm just gonna be putting 235/40s all around the car. Next week, I will have my BC Racing coilovers that I will be putting on the car as well. And then from there, we'll dial in fitment and see if I can fit a bigger tire size. These are my TE37 SLs. Now, obviously, they're not the OG like TE37s. These, I believe, are like the most recent edition of the TE37 that Rays made. And I don't even know if they're making these anymore. We're gonna call Tommy Effia and ask him to educate us about the biggest differences between the SLs and the more OG wheels. And Adam has, I think, some of the more OG TE37s somewhere on that tire rack over there. So I'm gonna go grab one. This is one of the more OG TE37s. Visually, you can see that there's almost like no engraving actually. Wow, I thought there was engraving on this one on the side. Maybe that's on like the later models, but visually you can see that these just have the stickers on each side, and then this one is actually like fully engraved, which I prefer, and I love this. You also have the engravings on the side. It's like Rays Engineering, made in Japan, forged, and then this one, nada. All right, let's give Tommy a call. He saved in my phone as Tommy Evo, because I bought my Evo from him.
I'm a big TE37 guy.
Yep, big TE37 guy. So, I have questions. I'm just wondering like what the biggest differences are between like the more OG TE37s and like the TE37 SLs. It's all just visual stuff, right? And
to be fair, like an SL is very, very hard to distinguish. There's certain stampings and stuff. Adam thinks there's a difference and he thinks he can tell, but if you put it on, they just look a little thicker, the spoke. Like if you look at the SL straight on, you will not know the difference. If you turn and look at it on a profile, you'll see the spoke itself where the bend is. I mean, I've got them both right here. It's barely thicker. I mean, we're talking
on the SL. On the SL, it's bigger.
On the OG, it's thicker.
Oh yeah.
Light, so they machined a ton off the backside.
Got it. Well, yeah, and like visually the SLs just have all of the engravings. The one that I have, like a more OG one.
Well, the last run of OGTs has all the same engravings.
Yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, like the middle year?
2018 set of OGs here, and it says Rays N. Yeah, it has all the same. Forged, all that is engraved. And then I have a set of SLs here, and it's exactly the same. Adam
has a set somewhere that at least didn't have the Volk Racing wasn't engraved, but the like made in Japan and forged was engraved.
Yeah, so if those are last run OGs, true OGs have no stamping whatsoever.
Yeah, no, the one I have next to my SLs is like just like the true OG one. There's no stamping, it's just the two stickers.
Sticker will be blue or black and white.
Yeah, these are black and white. There's no big difference aside from like the spoke being a little bit bigger, which like if I look close, I can kind of tell on the OG one.
Thicker, yeah, like and really the only place you can really tell is the bend, like when the spoke tips in towards the rim.
Yeah.
The lip of the wheel, the rim of it. So, yeah, I mean it's whatever.
I like the SLs. I think they're sick. I love all the engravings.
SLs are fine. SLs are fine, but they discontinued SLs.
Oh, that was my next question. So they no longer make the SL?
Correct.
What's up with that? Why?
They're just trying to move away from their B&Ts all over the roads.
Wow. Well, thank you for all that knowledge. That's everything that I wanted to know. There you have it, straight from Tommy Effia himself. Biggest differences, sticker to engraving, no engraving on the side here either. And it's really hard to capture on camera how this spoke is a little bit bigger. Visually in person, it's easier to tell. But on camera, I think these colors just aren't really capturing it. So not too big of a difference in terms of the overall shape. I love these SLs. And that was our little Tommy Effia segment. So I'm gonna get to mounting our fresh Tumo tires on all of these wheels and then putting them on the Veloster. tires are mounted and we got no scratches. You probably saw like the fear in my eye mounting these things. I just did not want to mess them up, but we are good to go. I'm gonna go grab the Veloster, probably pull it in here, and just throw them on right here. My VC Racing coilovers on so I can lower the tar. I know that, I know. But it still looks sick. We're not having any suspension stuff done yet. Oh my god, I love this wheel on this car. I really wasn't like, I'm literally never sure about wheels until I see them actually on the car, and we couldn't find any photos of a Veloster N with actual TE37 on it, but I love it. Oh my god, this is so perfect. This is the ultimate color. I think that will highlight our calipers here. Will look really, really good with my mud guards that are gonna be red that I'm gonna have on the car. I didn't want black wheels either, so I think black would just be too muted and not dimensional enough, but look at this. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed. These are gorgeous. Oh my god, so pretty. I
like them too.
So perfect for this car. All right, I'm gonna finish up the other side. I'm like dazing off looking at this side of the car. We'll put the last two wheels on and see what she looks like. We are missing one important thing to make our wheel makeover complete. Chris is running to get that right now. Chris has come back with the final piece for our wheels. Can you show the people what is in that envelope?
Can we acknowledge my nice nails?
Oh yeah, Chris.
They're a bit dirty.
He has nails for the first time in his life. Super proud of him.
All right.
What do we got? What do we got? Wow.
Okay,
you don't
right.
one more. Boom! We got the stickers. Of course, you can't have TE37s without having a colored spoke, or at least I think so. I love these.
Back to it.
Adam's being a loud boy. I love these. It's gonna look so good with the car. So we're gonna be putting these stickers on. We got the TE37 SL stickers, like on the SL one I just showed you, and our spoke sticker, which I'm going to put this opposite of the engraving. So we have Bolt Racing engraving there, and boom, we don't have this on the other side. Very stressful. Not gonna lie, the first sticker did not turn out very well. Yeah, luckily when the car is going, you won't be able to notice. There was like 3 people behind me when I was putting the sticker on, and I just got stressed. And then the top of it was already adhering to it, so I just sent it and went with it. But if you look at it straight on, yeah, she's not, this is not it. There's so much more space on this side than this side. I'm gonna have to order another sticker. So wish me luck as I go around the car and finish putting the rest of these on. Best one so far. Now I have one left, and I'm probably gonna get at least another set of 4 to redo the other 2 on the side, because I really like it when it comes all the way to the bottom here.
I thought it was gonna look absolutely terrible until you lowered your car. It actually looks really good.
Yeah, right?
So the weird thing, like, I was worried that it would look bad just since you technically went down in wheel size.
Yeah,
but I feel like the meatier tires makes it look way more aggressive.
Yeah, a tiny bit, but I like that. I think when I get the coilovers on and lower it, it's literally gonna be perfect. You like the sticker, right?
Oh yeah, 100%.
Yeah, I love it. And the red tying into everything else. I love it, you did very good. Thank you.
Glad you like them.
It's official, these are the absolute best wheels for the Veloster N ever. I am obsessed. I love every single thing about them. I also think it matches my carbon pieces so good. Let me know what you guys think about these wheels in the comments. Coming up for the Veloster N build next would be BC Racing, coilovers, and a bid wing. We're gonna join the bid wing gang. Adro USA makes a full carbon fiber wing. Check them out if you haven't already. I'm absolutely obsessed with it, and it should be here in the next few weeks. But that is it for this video. These are my new wheels for the Veloster N, and I will see you guys in the next one.